Good morning students, welcome to the online class. Today we are going to learn 3rd class maths. See children, open your term book, that is page number 103, 103. See that we have done with ascending order. Now we are going to do with descending order, that is of second Roman. What is ascending order and descending order children? Ascending order is nothing but small number to big number and descending order is big number to small. So today we are going to learn descending order. See the first question, 4,869, 6,984, 8,731 and 1,378. So they have given us this question. What I said, descending order means what? Big number to small number. As I told you in ascending order, how I told you? See the first numbers. You have to see the first numbers. What are the first numbers? 4, 6, 8, 1. With this 4, 6, 8, 1, you can know. If the numbers are same, then you have to see the second one. But here, first numbers are only different numbers. So with this we can come to know. So 4, 6, 8, 1. In these four numbers, which is the big number? Yes, 8 is the big number. So this whole number will become as first. That is big. 8,731. 8,731. Now you have done with this. Now see next remaining three numbers, that is 4, 6 and 1. So in this 4, 6 and 1, which is the big number? 6 is the big number. So this whole number you have to write, that is 6,984. Next, forget this 4. Now remaining two numbers you see, 4 and 1. Which is the big number? 4 is the big number. So 4,869. Next, remaining what is our number? 1,378. 1,378. So now see which is the big number? 8,731, 6,984, 4,869, 1,378. You can write easily like this by seeing the first numbers. If you see which is the big number, that full number you have to. Now see the second one, 9,818, 8,198, 4,918, 8,194. Now see, same thing, first number underline and see. So what are the numbers? 9, 8, 4, 8. What are that? 9, 8, 4, 8. In this, which is the big number? Yes, 9 is the big number. So 9,818. Put forward. Next, 8, 4, 8. 8, 4, 8. Which is the big? 8 is big. But here two 8s are having. How we will know which is the big number in this 4? We have to see the second number. What we have to see? We have to see the second number. So what is the second number? 1. Here also 1. So again same. Then again third number. That is 9, 9. So again 9, 9 means same. So last number you have to see 8 and 4. So in 8 and 4, which is the big number? 8 is big. So 8,198. So here 4 and 8. In this is the big. So 8,194 and last is 4,918. 4,918. Remaining two sums you can do it by your own children. Now turn the page. Turn the page, that is 105. Turn the page to 105. successor of. So what is the meaning of successor? Successor is nothing but addition. Here two are there. One is successor and other one is predecessor. One is successor and other one is predecessor. Nothing but successor means what? We have to add plus 1. Easily you can remain, that is adding plus 1, successor. And predecessor means what? Subtracting 1. Understand? Whatever the question is given, for that successor means you have to add plus 1. Predecessor means you have to minus 1. Now see, we will go to the questions. 5458. What is the question? 5458. So for that successor they are asking. What I said, you have to do plus 1. So for plus 1, where you will do? To the last number. Plus 1 where you will do? For the last number, that is 1's place. So what answer will come? 5459. What answer will come? 5459. Next is the second one. 2861. 2861. So plus 1 you will do 2862. Also you can say plus 1 and also you can say after and before numbers also you can say for this. It is just for our reminding only. Okay. To remind you only. That is successor means after, predecessor means before. Otherwise you can remind like that also. Plus 1, minus 1. Okay children. See the next number. 3999. 3999. If you do plus 1, what will come? 10. So 10, 10, 10. That is 4000 will come. 3999 after what is number? 4000. Remaining answers you write children. Now we will go to predecessor. Next Roman. What is the first question? 6543. 6543. So what I said, predecessor means what? That is minus 1. Predecessor means minus 1 or before numbers. Minus 1 or before numbers. So here what is given? 6543. So minus 1 if you do means what will come? 2 will come. That is 6542. Have you understood? 6542. Now second question. 8961. So what will come? 8960. Next see third one. Here what given? 1000. 1000 is given. So for 1000, what is the before number? 9999. Sorry, what is the 1000 before number?